In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the section collapse field in Jotform if you're managing or designing forms and need an efficient way to organize them. Jotform's section collapse feature can be incredibly useful. Let's walk through the process together so you can take full advantage of this tool. First, let's ensure you're logged into your Jotform account. Head over to jotform.com and sign in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to My Forms to access your personal collection of forms. This is where you'll select the form you wish to work with. Next, open your form in the Jotform Form Builder. This user-friendly platform allows you to customize your form effortlessly. You'll find the Form Builder to be a powerful tool as it provides a drag and drop functionality that makes adding new elements straightforward. Now we want to add a section collapse element. To do this, look to the top left of your screen and click on Add Element, indicated by a plus sign. This action triggers a menu of various elements you can incorporate into your form. Scroll down through these options until you find the section collapse element. Click on it and then add it to your form at the top of the fields you intend to hide. The section collapse feature is perfect for grouping related fields together and minimizing them into a collapsible section, improving the usability of your form. After placing the section collapse element, you need to configure its properties. Let's talk about section visibility. You have two options here, visible and hidden. If you select visible, the section and its fields are displayed by default. On the other hand, if you choose hidden, the section is initially concealed, requiring users to click a button to expand it. This option is particularly useful if you want to manage the visual clutter on your form. You can also customize the text that appears on the button. This could be instructions or simply a label for what lies beneath the collapse. A clear and intuitive button label is crucial as it guides users on what to expect within the hidden section. When it's time to signify the end of a collapsible section, add another section collapse element at the bottom of the section. This effectively encloses the section, providing a clear start and end for users interacting with your form. Finally, adjust the final section collapse's settings by setting its section visibility to visible and its button visibility to hidden. This configuration ensures that fields beyond the section collapse remain visible, maintaining a seamless flow in your form's layout. And there you have it, a complete guide on how to leverage the section collapse field in Jotform. These tools allow you to streamline your forms, making them both functional and visually appealing. Thank you for watching, and happy form building.